Hello everyone, my name is Daquan Ishman and I'm going to present to you my research project called Engineering Design Communication. Engineering Design Communication is a platform that allows engineers to have insights on potential impacts, which is a useful tool to bring to future engineering projects. This platform is used to improve the quality of a product and the safety features too. Engineering Design Communication is introduced to engineering majors within their first year of their college career. This allows students to have the hands-on experience instead of sitting in lecture all day. Many platforms like SOLIDWORKS, LabVIEW, and MATLAB are introduced to students and used throughout many projects. And here are the three platforms: SOLIDWORKS, LabVIEW, and MATLAB. For my primary research, I have interviewed undergraduate students and graduate students in the engineering building at Northern Illinois University. Many students' responses was that NIU is preparing them for the professional level of engineering. Also, other students have replied back saying professors are giving them actual real-world problems and they have to utilize the materials that they have been taught in the labs to solve those issues. Throughout my interviews, I have interviewed mostly seniors and graduate students, and that's because seniors has a big project each year called Senior Design. Senior Design is where a group of students have to take an actual product and try to improve it, or they can invent a new product that would be beneficial to the world. The graduate students, on the other hand, they collect data for a research topic of their choice and perform tests to compare results and for their thesis. And my results, my primary research is similar to my secondary research. And I was not surprised of my results because many students in clubs and doing research have the labs and I'm open to them anytime. Like myself, and I'm doing research in the ARM and Makerspace lab, and I basically use the engineering design platforms every day to collect recent data. The engineering design communication platform is introduced to college students. So when they enter their career field, they will know how to operate different machinery, and is used in every engineering field. And thank you for watching my presentation.